Hey guys, we're live at 10 o'clock on this President's Day to battle for Wayne's Power of the Force Luke Jedi. There he is. Awesome. 125 spots. I'm going to take them all and copy them. And when I get to the top of this beastly list, which I just did, I'm going to take them over to random and find our winner here in just a moment. We got 125 of them. They all came along for the ride, which is fantastic news. That way we can roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. We came up with a 10, which is great, because now we can start. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Scott takes round 1. Josh 2. Steve 3. Matt 4. Scott again on top in round 5 with 35. Beetlejuice 6. Scott again on top in round 7. Matthew Sorrentino round 8. Michael Link in the top spot for our next to last round, round 9, with number 118, bringing us invariably to the final round. Good luck, battlers. Somebody's Monday night is going to be sweet, and that person is Jared McCauley in at number 120. Congratulations, Jared. Nice hit. Here's our verification code. And official results. VRESYJ. Jared McCauley in at number 120 is the champ of Wayne's Luke Jedi. And I'm all done at 10:02. There it is. Here it is again. Jared's the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.